You want to constantly challenge the mitochondria. That's key. It's very difficult to overstress the mitochondria in a positive way. When we're saying overstress and overstimulate them, you're not going to do it with Mitoplex. Mitoplex is going to optimize that. Where you're going to stimulate them more is through exercise. So how do mitochondria work? Mitochondria produce energy. How do you stimulate them? You make the cell have less energy in there. So when you do a ketogenic diet, for example, one of the energy sources in the cell are carbohydrates. You remove that, mitochondria go, whoa, no carbohydrates. I need more mitochondria to burn more fat and produce more energy. That's a stressor. So for long-term ketogenic dieting, you can keep doing it and there's no problems with mitochondria. Exercise is another way to deplete energy in the muscle and make the mitochondria increase. All of those are positives. But obviously, if I'm running a marathon every single day, that's probably going to be too much stress on my body. So can I overstress the mitochondria? Sure, but you're talking about the top 1% of the population who can push themselves to that type of extreme to overstress their bodies, with that type of exercise load. The key, remember, everybody, is balance. So the keto system that we have with Pruvit is a balanced system that will never overstress the mitochondria. And then you need to balance that with a healthy amount of exercise. If someone's doing an extreme amount of exercise and they're starving themselves every day, sure, you might overstress the mitochondria, but within the Pruvit system, you won't.